Howdy, y'all. Coming at you this fine afternoon with a little bit of a different truck than what you normally see on the channel here. You're looking at a 2013 Ford F-150 Raptor SVT with the 6.2 liter V8 with a Roush supercharger on it. This truck is actually from our personal fleet. And it is officially for sale. The Roush supercharger was installed new by Ford when the truck was purchased new in 2014. We are the second owners of the truck. The first owner of the truck was TSCO Racing. The owner of TSCO Racing, this was actually his personal truck. And he was using it to commute from Southern California or Arizona up to Wyoming. So this truck has 259,000 original miles on it, okay? Sounds like a lot of miles, but I'm telling you, thing has been Ford maintained its entire life, and it's really in great condition considering the miles that are on it. So 6.2, 260K miles, Roush supercharged. I think it makes about 550 horse, give or take. So it has its little blemishes. Obviously, it has 260,000, mostly highway miles on it, really consisting of like paint chips on the front of the hood, some on the rear fenders. I'll show you those in a minute. It's got this ADD front bumper with the Baja Designs light bar. This thing's super bright. You can tell it has not been off-roaded hard. There's no damage or anything like that. It's got the 3.0 Fox shocks all around, front and rear. Truck works pretty good. As I said here, you got the row rock chipping there. Very typical for a Raptor. I mean, again, this thing's got 260,000 miles on it, but for the miles, it's really in great shape. Ford factory exhaust, some paint chipping on the rear bumper. Inside of the bed is clean. The tailgate's super clean. More paint chipping on the rear bumper. Tires are like new. They're okay. They're a little loud. Not my favorite tire, but not bad. Truck has absolutely no rust at all, and is just in really, really fantastic condition. You would never know that this truck has these miles on it without looking at the odometer. Passes California emissions, no problem. Interior's flawless. Like literally, even this just has like a little small mark on it. But other than that, the steering wheel's in great shape. This thing's been babied. Chris wants me to list it up for sale. Quite frankly, I don't really care if it sells or not, because it's an awesome daily driver. It's a great truck. We really like it. Everything's on it's tight. The cab is tight. It doesn't feel blown out. It feels nice. Like, you can just tell that this truck has been well cared for its whole life. Sounds pretty wicked too. All right, so with this truck, it recently got a full service. It also got brand new iridium plugs, new boots, new coil packs. It got just basically a full service, oil change, the whole nine. I believe my guy did the Fuse 27 relocation on it as well. But yeah, interior smells perfect. It's got these really nice rubber liners. Smells like literally like new inside. It's a great truck. We've only had it off-road like twice. Once we did a part of Mojave Road with it. And then another time, maybe it was only once, I don't know. It's just been a daily driver. Get up here on the roof. So yeah, 259, 931. So basically it's about to roll 260,000 miles. Getting 11 miles to the gallon. Air conditioning works great. Heater works great. Heated and cooled seats. Four-wheel drive works awesome. We can run through all that. Okay. Out of 4 low. All right. Toe brake controller. Obviously, there's no trailer connected to it, but gain, you know, all that stuff functions. Stereo sounds great. Speakers aren't blown or anything like that. It's got the light bar is wired to, I think, this one. I want to say light bar is super bright. Steering wheel controls all work as they should. Windows work. Sunroof works. Again, I mean, basically everything on this truck works as factory new. It's in great shape. Super quick too. It will roast these tires, even with these miles. Walking me through here. It's got the Roush intake, Roush comb filter. No blow by at all. Awesome truck. So one of the things that I really like about the Roush supercharger is that it's pretty quiet. The supercharger itself like doesn't whine super loudly on the road. I'll roll this rear window down here so y'all can hear it. I'm gonna get on it a little bit, but we're in a residential here and I'm in a bright red truck, so not really trying to piss off the neighbors too much, if you know what I'm saying. You can really barely hear the supercharger at all. You can hear it a little bit right there, but again, it's pretty quiet. So this truck has factory headers and all that stuff on it. We do have a set of stainless headers for it, brand new, uninstalled, that for asking price on the truck, we can let them go with the truck. So this is our personal truck, but we can definitely sell it through the dealership or not. Can kind of do it either way. We have the truck titled in Arizona, quite frankly, because because we were going to put the stainless headers on it, and that would make it non-California emissions legal, but we never got around to it. So kept it, or just keep it in Arizona because it's so cheap as compared to California. If you want to keep the truck in Arizona, I can help you do that. Super easy process. It can go back into California too. Like I said, I already smogged it. So if you want it in California, it can go into California as well. Not a problem. The truck doesn't really need anything. I mean, like, maybe if you want to go hardcore, you might want to rebuild the shocks or something like that on it. But I mean, even then, like, it drives good. It handles good. It's really nice on the freeway. Overall, it's just a very, very enjoyable truck to drive. Backup camera works. There's my Excursion. What else? I'm trying to think. So yeah, if you like this truck and you want to leave a deposit on it, our deposit, same thing as always, $500, gets you the truck held for up to 2 weeks. We can ship the truck anywhere in the nation, no problem at all. What else? If you want to see or hear anything else on the truck, you want me to take other videos, other photos, more than happy to do that. Just let me know what you would like to see. I'm more than happy to help there. My phone number, 951-704-2804. If you want to call me, text me, any of those works just fine. So we're going to list this truck right at $20,000. $20K again gets you the $2,000 headers that we have, brand new, uninstalled. And again, California emissions compliant if you want it to be in California, or we can help you keep it in Arizona if you want to pay less money in tax and license and everything else, because private party sales in Arizona are no sales tax. Can sell it through the dealer, can sell it private party, however we want to do it. But yeah, awesome truck. Make a great truck for somebody. Runs awesome, drives awesome, super, super fun. Looks great too. The race red is hands down my favorite color Raptor, just because it pops so much and stands out so well. Again, thank you so much for watching all of our videos. Thank you for all the continued support. If anybody has any additional questions, feel free to call, text, email, whichever works. Find us on Instagram at @dynamicrides_. Have an awesome week.